how to download the HP applications from HP computers. Now in order to download the HP application from the HP computers manufacturer or providers, you just simply need to open your Play Store app or App Store depending on which device are you using. Then you will see the search option. Tap to search option, then open the search bar. Then you just simply need to type HP and hit the search button. Then you will see a bunch of HP applications in here. Just simply figure out for what task you will need the HP application, and after figuring that out, simply open the desired app. For example, I'm gonna open this simple HP app, and then from this page you need to tap into this install button, and depending on your internet connection's speed, the HP Computers app will successfully be downloaded in your Android device. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.